Okay, so creating something like this in Canva is very possible. It's fun to do, and it's just something a little bit different. Using multiple different fonts, using a colour, just being a little bit more creative with your designs is brilliant in Canva, and we can all do this. So this is something I've created today, and I'm going to show you very quickly how you can do this, and it doesn't take very long at all. Okay, so within Canva we need to create a design. I'm going to use an A4 document because I may want to print this out and frame it, and you may want to do the same. So first of all, we need to create our text boxes. So each line of text has to have its own box. So I'm going to have stay, then I'm going to have positive, and then I'm going to duplicate that so I can write work hard. And then make it, our last one, happen. Right. Happen. So now we've got all of our text boxes. I'm going to tidy them up and just make them a bit bigger. We need to now work through these to change the fonts. The first one I'm going to go for a font called Apricot. It's one of my favourites. And I'm going to make the last one Apricot as well to make it symmetrical. And then positive, I'm going to go for a font called Sunday. I can't see it. There we go. I love this one. It's a nice, real positive, really big font. And then same for this one. And then the middle font, I'm going to go for this one. It's similar to the top and bottom, but slightly more theatrical, I suppose we could say. Okay, so I've got all of my fonts. I want to make this one bigger. I want this to be a nice big bold font, and I want to curve it. Not too much, but I do want to curve. I want this one to be the same. We're making them symmetrical so that they look right top and bottom. And I want this curved as well, but I want it going up. And then I've got my positive words. So I want this one curved down, and I want this one curved up. We'll reduce the curves on them slightly so they work together. And then this one, it's in the middle. I'm going to leave that one. So now we've got nice symmetrical design. It needs something, so I'm going to type in line, and I'm going to look through some of the lines in Canva. Something curved. This one, I like this one. This one works well with curves at the top. I'm going to make it slightly bigger and move my positive up. And I'm going to move my work up so it's closer. Just bunching everything up a little bit. And I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to flip it so it's completely opposite to the one on top. Okay, and then bring happen up. And there we have stay positive, work hard, make it happen. But we've broken it up using these flourishes, and we've also made it more theatrical by using the curved text feature available in Canva. And you can also add a background. I love the watercolour elements in Canva. They work really well, especially with handwritten fonts. The more fonts that have got more of a flourish to them, they work really well. So I'm just going to add this to the back and downgrade the transparency slightly so the text really stands out. What I could also do is change the colour of the text. I could go for a grey, or I could leave it black. It's entirely up to you. I quite like the grey. And this one. There we go. So now you have a really lovely saying that you've created in a fancy way, using different fonts, using the curved text feature, using flourishes, and using watercolour elements. So I really hope you've enjoyed that. I would love to see your versions of this if you have made something like this yourself, using, making a piece of artwork just using different style fonts and colours. That would be awesome. So I hope you've enjoyed that video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.